Hi, welcome to our channel Shah Computer Education Center. In this video, we will show you a demonstration for inventory management system. So you can see here a dashboard sheet, item list, item to order, purchase, sales, stock, voucher and voucher view. So how does this work? First, in the item list, you have to enter the name of the items you have, then the units, and minimum stock to maintain and maximum stock to maintain value. That is, for keyboard, I want to maintain minimum stock 100 and maximum stock 200 in my godown. In this way, we have entered values for all these items. On the basis of these values, item to order sheet works. Here you can see if I want to check how many which items need to be ordered to maintain our minimum stock. So you click here minimum stock to order. You can see this 5 item has to be ordered. This is their current stock and this amount is to be ordered. Keyboard 45 piece to be ordered, mouse 60 piece to be ordered. And if I want to maintain the maximum stock, click on maximum stock to order. These are the 7 items you have to order for maintaining the maximum stock of these items. And go to dashboard. And now here we have purchase sales entry. So here when I want to enter a purchase voucher, then click on purchase. You can see here we got purchase voucher and our invoice number is 4 and it is showing today's date. You can change the date if you want to change it. Then type the name of the creditor, then address, mobile number and type the item which you have purchased. So here if I type a quantity, then type quantity, unit, rate and amount and then save data. If you save data, these values will be entered in purchased data sheet. Here you can see all is entered. Then again, and when you want to sell, just click on sales button. You can see it changes to sales voucher and invoice number changes to 3. Enter the item, quantity, unit, rate. The amount will be automatically calculated. Then click on save data. This data will be saved on sales. And based on this purchase data and sales data, stocks is calculated. These are the opening stocks of the item and this amount of item has been purchased during the period and these are the total sales during the period and this is the final stock or the closing stock of these items. So let's go to dashboard. So you can also click view all stock to go here in this sheet. And if you want to view previous voucher, then go to dashboard and click on purchase view sales. This is the view mode. There is no invoice number, date, anything. Just put the invoice number 1 here and click search. You will get the details of invoice number 1 for purchase voucher. And if you want to see the previous sales voucher, click on sales and type the invoice number and click on search. You will get the value. Now I will show you one by one. Go to dashboard. Now click on purchase sales entry. So first we'll purchase, click on purchase and type here the name of the creditor or the name of the person from whom you have purchased. Suppose Ravi Sharma. The address is Kolkata. Mobile number is 12345678910. Then goods, here type cabinet. Now you can see your current stock is 10 and you purchased more 10 pieces and the rate is 1500. You got the total amount. And then you purchased UPS. The current stock of UPS is 20. You have purchased again 5 UPS and the rate is 2000. Again, you purchased hard disk, current stock is 20. You purchased more 10, 3000, and it's done. Now we will click on save data. Click on save data. This value is cleared and this has been transferred to purchase. You can see here invoice number 4, purchase number purchase invoice number is 4, and these are the details of all the items. So again, go to dashboard, purchase and sales. Now we will do a sales. Click on sales. You can see here the voucher number is 3, because in sales you can see only invoice number 1 and 2. Last invoice number is 2. So go to voucher, see sales voucher, write Ratan Mandal and Malda. Mobile number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Item. Now your cabinet is, you can see, 20 piece. You sold 5 piece for rupees 2000. Keyboard 55 piece. You sold again 5 piece for rupees 300. Then you sold CD. You have 180 piece. You sold 50 pieces for 20 rupees. And now save the data. Click on save data. You can see this has been transferred to sales data. Invoice number 3, Ratan Mandal. These are the data. Now, if you want to view the previous invoice, go to dashboard, click on purchase sales view, type here the invoice number. Here you can see the sales voucher. If I want to see the last voucher, there is voucher number 3, and click on search. You can see all these items you have sold. If you type 2 and search, you can see the details of invoice number 2. And if you want to see the purchase voucher, click on purchase. You can see it is showing purchase voucher 4 and click on search. This is the last invoice you have purchased. So these are the details. So in this way you can view the previous vouchers with the help of this voucher. Go to dashboard. Now if you want to see all stock, go to view stock. You can see the stock has been changed and which item to order. Go to dashboard, click on goods to order. These are the items you have to order. Minimum stock, and this is for maximum stock. Click on dashboard. You can see the chart for total purchase and total sales. If you want to see the total purchase for top 5 items for January, click on January, and February, March, and for total sales, January, February, March. And if you want to view all the items for all total period, then clear this filter. Then you will see the top 5 items that are sold within this period. And as you purchase and sell your items, the stock get reduced or increased. So to maintain the minimum and maximum stock, you have to go to goods to order. Here you can see the current stock. These values are fetched from the stock here. And if you want to maintain minimum stock, click on minimum stock to order. So here you can see these are the 5 items. For keyboard, you need 50 items to maintain the minimum stock. That means in item list, keyboard should be maintained minimum of 100 stock. But you can see the closing stock is 50. So you have to buy 50 more to maintain this minimum stock. That's why in item to order, you can see 50 items should be ordered. And for mouse 60, CD 370 to be ordered, cabinet 5, pen drive 30. And if you want to maintain the maximum stock, click on maximum stock to order, and here you can see these are the items you have to order to maintain the maximum stock. So in this stock maintenance system, you have multiple item entry. You can see the previous voucher. You can see your total stock. You can automatically get the result so that you can order the items, and also for the dashboard you can see the chart for total purchase and total sales. So I hope this inventory management system will help you a lot, and on the next week I will show you how to create this stock management system. So for that you have to subscribe our channel so that you can get our notification when I upload this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get our notifications. So thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.